color with white circular rings and drums. And the ring is follow me sign. So their body emits an oily secretion which acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism towards predators since they have also a stinky smell. And on the male have horn, water. Also
Di
here,
siguro
the
ganito na lang dyan.
a large
Bigyan na lang
antenna is
namin yung
grayish
tree
one and
ng
color with
advanced
vertical
copy.
lines on its back. And the multicolored marking protects kudos by camouflaging them. So they have a long mga animals. Which animals type?
Cara, wildebeest.
Yeah, we have also here the plasma, a reddish one in color with prominent white plates on its face and forehead. They can grow up to 33 to 39 inches tall and weighs 50 to 80 kilograms. Originates in African word bless, which means place. It differs to unusual white colored marking on its face. Both female and male have horn, less back, and we have also here the blue months old baby zebra and 2 months old
Baby zebra. Wow, so cute. Nagano na yung zebra.
And we have also here the impala.
Impala na.
A medium size of antelope that is brown and color with slim legs. Despite of their sexy legs, they're
Impala.
Ang height. Guwapo.
And we have also here the Tamsan gazelle, a smallest antelope that is light brown and color with dark stripe, running down on its side and stands 60 to 70 centimeters at the shoulder. So both female and male have ringhorn that curve backwards, and the fourth class test land animals